Hey, my Tea Party Squad, welcome back to my channel. It is week 3 of the hashtag Love Your Stickers Challenge. So if you are new here or have been watching for a while, go ahead and click that subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos here at my Tea Party. Now I'm planning in my classic dashboard layout for this week's challenge, and I'm planning for the week of February the 17th through the 23rd. And I keep my Homebody dashboard layout in this beautiful classic size Frankenplan Happy Planner. So let's go ahead and talk about what items we have to use for this challenge this week. All right, so the first item is a tiny sticker pad. You are to use more than one, but I chose to use one, and that's the colorful boxes. And then we are to use one value pack sticker book, and I went ahead and chose the Encourager sticker book for this challenge as well because of the colorful boxes. So tiny sticker pad and a value pack sticker book for this challenge. Now, to be honest, I haven't used this sticker book at all. This is my first time using this sticker book, and I've had it for a while. So that's why I chose this sticker book, because this challenge is encouraging me to use my stickers. And so that's what I'm going to be doing, using my stickers. I love a lot of the colors in here, and I just want to make it a fun, colorful spread for this week and for this challenge this week. Now, I did go ahead and pre-plan my stickers in my sticker album by Capital Chic Designs, and I absolutely love this sticker album, y'all. So here are just a few of the stickers that I'm going to be using so far for this challenge, and I cannot wait to see how it's going to turn out. I have it in my head, but sometimes you just don't know. So hopefully it would, come out as I want it to, and be fun and colorful. Now, another reason why I chose this sticker book was because of the color within this homebody layout. I wanted to work around that color scheme that's in there, like some of the hints of yellow, the green, the blues, and I didn't really want to change it up or cover all of those checklists or check boxes. And so I just thought maybe, this Encourager sticker book with this fun colors, and it has a few colors that I think that will go along with it and blend in very well. And so that's why I wanted, one of the other reasons why I chose it. One, I didn't use it. I wasn't using the sticker book. And then two, I wanted to just stick with the color scheme as well. Now, I do like this new dashboard layout because of this right here. The to buy is just a straight down. I don't have that color block that it usually have in the old original dashboard layout. So what I do like to do from time to time is, since I've gotten this, I love just kind of, breaking up this little section and keeping the to buy at the top. But then I also just want to use some other colorful boxes that I'm going to take out of the colorful boxes sticker book, the tiny sticker pad, and I'm just going to use those and place down some of these colorful boxes, and that way I'm able to categorize and split up some of those sections, and I can make more sections as I need. So I still have my to buy, I still have my errands, and also like the important box there, but then I can also make the list as what I want to either it's if I want to write down certain things that I'm grateful for, I'll have a section there that I can just write my gratitudes for the week there as well. So now I think I am done with this spread. I actually use this bright, colorful boxes, tiny sticker pad for this challenge. And I also use the Encourager value pack sticker book with this spread and for this challenge, which I thought was awesome and fun because I would never think to use this Encourager spread, but I went ahead and did that. Now that I'm done, I do like to go ahead and place my pages back into my planner. So when I'm done, that's just what I like to do. You know, we have to make sure that it looks good, especially against my colorful metal disc from the Happy Planner. I think it looks awesome with those colorful discs as well. And I really enjoy using this sticker book, the Encourager. I really love it. But to be honest, I did not know what to do with these dolls at the bottom. They're just like the heads. And so I just thought that this would be my idea of what the planner community looks like to me, with different type of women, different hairstyles, but we all come together and we plan creatively and we just encourage each other. And so that's what I want to mimic with this Encourager spread, because it encourages me as a planner babe to jump on these challenges and be creative. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video.